Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the device and turning on accessibility features. First, confirm the model and Android version so you know where menus live. Once done, charge above 20% and install any pending updates to avoid interruptions. Next, go to Settings, tap Accessibility, and look for Interaction and Dexterity or similar. You're not done until you open that panel. This is where Samsung exposes the on-screen navigation controls. Now activate and customize the on-screen button. Toggle the Assistant menu or Interaction and Dexterity option on. You'll see a floating control appear. Tap its settings to add Home, Back, and Recents to the quick menu so the Home function is present. Make adjustments to size, opacity, and position so it doesn't block app content. Also enable tap sensitivity or gestures if available. This ensures reliable presses and keeps accidental taps from disrupting your workflow. Finish by testing the on-screen home across several apps to confirm consistent behavior. Press it from the lock screen and from inside apps. Make small placement tweaks if it overlaps critical UI elements. If the button disappears or is sluggish, disable battery optimization for accessibility services in settings to prevent the system from killing it. If problems persist, restart the phone or toggle the Assistant menu off and on. That often clears display glitches and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.